Are your legs feeling weaker as you get older? Do you notice more cramps at night, or maybe it feels harder to get up from a chair or climb stairs? Many seniors think this is simply part of aging. But the truth is, what you eat every day has a huge impact on the strength of your legs. Today, I'm going to share the top 3 foods that can prevent leg cramps, strengthen your muscles, and keep your legs strong after 60. And I want you to stay with me until the end, because each of these foods is easy to find and simple to add to your diet. Before we start, if you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We share simple, science-backed tips to help you move better, feel stronger, and age confidently. Let's start with one of the most powerful foods for leg health. The first food to add for stronger legs is spinach and other leafy greens, like kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens. These vegetables may not look powerful, but inside they are loaded with nutrients that your muscles love. Spinach is especially rich in magnesium, which helps relax your muscles and prevents the painful tightening that leads to cramps. It also contains calcium, which builds stronger bones. Remember, your legs are made up of both muscle and bone, and both need to be strong for good mobility. Leafy greens also improve circulation. They contain natural compounds called nitrates that widen your blood vessels, making it easier for oxygen and nutrients to reach your leg muscles. Better circulation means less stiffness and more strength when you move. The good news is you don't need to eat a huge bowl of spinach to benefit. Even one handful of greens in your daily meals, in a salad, soup, or even mixed into scrambled eggs, can improve your leg strength over time. So next time you're shopping, make sure to add a bunch of spinach or kale to your basket. Your legs will thank you. Now, let's move on to food number 2. The second best food for strong legs is salmon, along with other fatty fish like sardines and mackerel. These fish are rich into important things your body needs: omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. Omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory nutrients. In simple terms, they help calm down the stiffness, swelling, and discomfort that many seniors feel in their legs and joints. Less inflammation means smoother movement and less pain. Protein, on the other hand, is what your muscles are made of. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass. If we don't replace it through diet, our legs get weaker, balance suffers, and the risk of falls increases. Salmon gives you complete protein that your body can use to repair and rebuild your leg muscles. Eating salmon 2 to 3 times a week is a wonderful way to support your legs and overall health. If fresh fish is hard to find, canned salmon or sardines are also great choices. And if you don't eat fish, a good omega-3 supplement may help provide some of the same benefits. Now let's look at the third food, one that's delicious, creamy, and easy to add to your meals every day. The third food for stronger legs is Greek yogurt, or plain natural yogurt. This may surprise you, but yogurt is one of the most complete foods for seniors. It contains protein, calcium, and probiotics, all of which are important for leg strength. Protein, as I mentioned, is essential for building and repairing your muscles. Every step you take puts stress on your leg muscles, and they need protein to stay strong. Greek yogurt has more protein than regular yogurt, making it an excellent choice. Calcium in yogurt helps keep your bones dense and strong, which lowers the risk of fractures or weakness in the legs. And the probiotics, the healthy bacteria inside yogurt, improve digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients like magnesium and vitamin D more effectively. That means every other healthy food you eat works better when you also eat yogurt. If you're lactose intolerant, many yogurts today are available in lactose-free options, so you can still enjoy the benefits. A small bowl of yogurt with some fresh berries can be a perfect breakfast or evening snack. Let's quickly recap. The top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps and strengthen your legs are leafy greens like spinach and kale, salmon or other fatty fish, Greek yogurt or plain natural yogurt. Adding even one of these foods into your daily meals can make a big difference in leg strength, mobility, and comfort. Start small. Maybe add spinach to your salad. Have yogurt with breakfast or eat salmon a few times a week. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-based tips to stay strong, healthy, and independent after 60. Thanks for watching. Here's to your cramp-free nights and vibrant days. See you in the next video.